Okay, so I'm sorry about that interruption. So this one describes a person or a source of information, I would say, and then the first definition is for the information itself. So you can say this information is accurate, means it has every detail, it's correct and true. Or here you can say he is an accurate person, or this book is accurate. That means this book is able to give correct information as a source of information. So like, for example, Wikipedia. Wikipedia is not always accurate because anybody can edit it. So sometimes it doesn't tell, the information in Wikipedia is not always the truth. And there's missing information sometimes. So it's not the best source for an academic essay. But you could say, I don't know, a well-known encyclopedia, the Encyclopedia Britannica is more accurate than Wikipedia because it's written by professionals. So, okay, word families. In some cases, although I've heard like with things like recent news events or like pop culture, sometimes they don't have so much in the regular encyclopedia. Yeah, don't use Wikipedia for academic essays because it's not always accurate. Okay, word families. Accuracy. This one, you probably don't know. I mean, it's not the same. This ending is not as common as some of the other noun endings, but ACY, but that it does make it a noun. So accuracy is the noun. It means the condition of being true. So like, describe the accuracy of Wikipedia? You'd say, well, it's not perfect. Okay, and then opposite of accuracy, inaccuracy. And the opposite of accurate is inaccurate. So in is a prefix that can mean not, opposite, not. So inaccuracy, a condition of not being accurate. Inaccurate means adjective. Inaccurate is not, not correct. He's lying. That's an inaccurate statement that he made. It's not true. It's inaccurate. Doesn't match the true details of what actually happens. If somebody's lying, you can say the statement that person made is inaccurate. How about accurately and inaccurately? What's the part of speech of accurately? Adverb, as always, almost always. 90% of the time. ly means adverb. So accurately in an accurate way. De una manera precisa. Precisos in Spanish. So when you do something in an accurate way. Accurately. He accurately shot the gun to win the game. So inaccurately is the opposite. What would be the part of speech of inaccurately? Adverb. Same as accurately, inaccurately, but it's the opposite. It means not. Okay, Spanish preciso. Synonyms for accurate are correct and exact. Antonyms, opposite, inaccurate, careless, or vague. Vague, not giving clear details. Careless is like, careless could be for definition too if you're talking about a person. Somebody is not very accurate. They don't care about all the details. They don't check things carefully. They're not accurate. The person. And over here, this is a sentence with literature. It is difficult to create an accurate translation of literature, especially poetry, in another language. Especially poetry, because in poetry, every word is so important, and words have a lot of symbolism and cultural meaning sometimes. And so even if you try to translate it into another language, sometimes there's no way. The word doesn't exactly match anything in the other language. So it's difficult to make an accurate translation of literature. And so, are there questions about the word accurate? If there are no questions, we can stop. Thank you very much for filming. Thanks for watching.